If you're tired of scratching your expensive nonstick pans or constantly replacing cheap kitchen utensils that crack, stain, or melt after a few months, this might be exactly what your kitchen has been missing. Today we're taking a close look at the Woodenhouse Wooden Spoons for Cooking 10-piece Teak Wood Utensil Set to find out whether it's actually worth buying or just another nice-looking kitchen accessory. The Woodenhouse 10-piece utensil set is designed for home cooks who want durable, everyday cooking tools without worrying about damaging their cookware. Instead of offering just a couple of basic spoons, this set includes almost every utensil you'll reach for during daily cooking, from flipping vegetables and stirring soups to serving pasta and mixing sauces. The goal is simple: replace mismatched utensils with one complete wooden set that looks great and performs well in everyday kitchens. The first thing you'll probably notice is the quality of the teak wood. Each utensil feels solid in your hand without being overly heavy, and because every piece is carved from a single piece of natural teak, there aren't any glued joints that typically become weak over time. The finish is smooth, the handles are comfortable to grip, and the natural wood grain gives every utensil its own unique appearance. Since it's made from real wood, the shade can vary slightly from piece to piece, which actually adds to its premium look instead of making it feel mass-produced. What really makes this set stand out is how it performs during everyday cooking. Whether you're stirring a thick curry, flipping eggs, serving pasta, or mixing vegetables in a hot pan, the utensils feel sturdy and well-balanced. Unlike metal tools, they won't scrape or scratch nonstick cookware, which is a huge advantage if you've invested in quality pots and pans. The wood also stays comfortable to hold because it doesn't heat up as quickly as metal, making longer cooking sessions much more pleasant. Another thing home cooks will appreciate is how quiet these utensils are. There's no loud scraping against cookware while you're cooking, and they feel much gentler when stirring delicate sauces or soups. Cleaning is also refreshingly simple. A quick wash with warm, soapy water is usually all they need before letting them air dry. Just remember that these aren't dishwasher safe, and like most quality wooden utensils, occasional oiling helps maintain the wood's appearance and keeps it looking its best for years. Of course, no product is perfect. While teak wood is naturally durable, wooden utensils require slightly more care than silicone or stainless steel options. You can't simply toss them into the dishwasher and forget about them. They also may absorb strong food odors if not cleaned promptly after cooking highly aromatic dishes. If convenience is your absolute top priority, silicone utensils might better fit your lifestyle. But if you value durability, aesthetics, and protecting your cookware, these small maintenance steps are well worth it. Compared to other wooden utensil sets in the same price range, the Woodenhouse collection offers impressive value. Many competing sets include only 5 or 6 pieces or use bamboo, which is generally lighter and sometimes less durable over years of heavy use. This set gives you 10 thoughtfully selected utensils made from natural teak wood, making it feel more complete and better suited for everyday cooking. While premium luxury brands may offer slightly finer finishing, they often cost significantly more without delivering dramatically better performance for the average home cook. Overall, the Woodenhouse Wooden Spoons for Cooking set delivers exactly what most home cooks need: durability, comfort, cookware protection, and a complete collection of useful utensils in one package. It's especially ideal for anyone using nonstick cookware, setting up a new kitchen, or looking for a practical gift that will actually get used every day. If you prefer dishwasher-safe tools or want bright silicone colors, this may not be your first choice. But for natural materials, long-term durability, and reliable daily performance, it's easy to recommend. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest kitchen product reviews. If you'd like to check the latest price or see today's available discounts, you'll find the link down in the description. If you're already planning to upgrade your kitchen utensils, it's worth checking sooner rather than later, since prices and promotions can change over time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.